Makan khana odwi aina imik ngarei thui hailaga nawi abongli ili okthui ngasak milu la machine shaka thrada jiko tuija thumrada shini remake up da ajiwi khamadaya baubing Pettigrew College we project ot adam jada magasawi wang hunpun gadam naw long aina all hunpun dang association na construction ot cycle kham haira Manipur drone attack kasamaram yang gasangling a John Kawai Indian Institute of Technology IID we mi hosang haira authority li ning yang makhu protest ngada dai dina chat haira Laikhyang athor aje the Dangkul Express we bao NG Shan Khui in a ba mi dale bao bing mai sai na nganang rumsa Pettigrew College we academic block semgaran adam jada masaka mi wang hunpun gadam naw long HKL ina all hunpun dang association AHDA na makhamaya jitheda construction ot cycle kham haira ot sada khleji wayang laga red mi ka hai adam li hui mai khar zat sa hawa Reader we aina contractor li hang mathin ra shum ka highway thili construction ot ka kham phekar hi ka khuina ji Project Adam Jada Gupsang Sagra Gaji Concerned Education Minister na Dui Milala Kajangkat Otsada Khleji Manga Mawala Le Hawaji Pettigrew College we academic block sem gasang ot ngurut 2021 khayon gajang hapok da gajang thrada jishad we alungli Gupsang ran gajina Kha Gupsang ran Adam we aina kum kan hailala otsaran wi tangkhai shikhamang Gupsang da tharaji Semran Gupsang ran Adam Jada Mugupsang Khami hina Gadam na bingli sazu dale College chili classrooms kashung da makhalei wiwang gadam na bingwi class karach lila khui dale Zakshi ka hai gachama building gala masem gubrang gaji kali la khui dale yaji Class kai ka masem gubrang gaji model library building shong khui dale yaji Model Library Project ji zingum mati mamangli hapo khai salala masem kubrang shinaw kala mayer nawi hostels ka semla semran dang khai maga shungranga ji Pettigrew College we infrastructure mathasang khawai project ji shinaw aina mayer nawi bet shakarip ka high hostels ji avavu lilopa crore shini lak thada madi thingthumrada jiko shashni magada jiko man aina semda khleina ji College we academic block kala main gate gasem aman crore thada mati lak hangjigo da dishat thingthra phanga shakhani hang phanga na ji project bingji gajang thra da dishat we alungli Gupsang ran gajina Concerned authorities na construction ji hitaran ngararik ka hai adam hiwi alungli Gupsang mira gaji malai rang lakha ina dangda ot akhala masang sak marada HKL ina AHDA na nganing dit haira Ot ka sa mabung magaphali ningyang maghuong phongshok da project Gupsang rang gajiwi maram li gatha ga phekar makhui mya kha sakhamai action khui ra gaji hang mathin haira pau hi IT news we ina khui khamaron na Kautrukli drone attack ka shock maram yang sang khawai ka saling sunda authority na Indian Institute of Technology IID we mi hosang haira Suspected cookie militants na bomb sasang kawai shikachin drones ji IID we mizang da examine sa kawai sa dale hangda clay drones ji commercially samgapang models na jia kala ji rai sa kawai shijin da modifications ka sali foreign entities we khanga jon mazang khala phasho kawai sa dale ya ji Drones ji arihon wi kashungla ka hai agap sa haugada militants pingjina external technical support khuida leira da national security wiwang security officials ping ninga kharik le hairaji Drone attack jili ngruka khawai national security card NSG na advanced technology shijinda ND drone guns la singphok hairaji ya Itum na theibai drone attacks kasa otshot ji shokar na sagla kai na khuida maram ji yang sang khawai committee la sem haira Police na ka hang tha kha attack kasa araji yang laga kashung la kai na train sa ka high professionals ayarwi technical expertise kala ka godom sang sa bai ya ka ji hi maga phaning masa bai thuwa Authorities na ngashla kai na leida situation hi ningjang aina monitor sa da lei Manipur with security angret yanglaga Central Paramilitary Forces kala Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh Likhwithui Khawai Federation of Civil Society Organizations FOCS Manipur na bo haira ID bao atisure da ayang athor kuki militants na retired police officer Sinam Bibi Nui Shim Mei Thot Mi Hawa Shimji Boro Bekra Subdivision Jakura Thor Bazar Chiribam District Li Khalei na ji FOCS Manipur na otsakchi condemn sada Central Paramilitary Forces kala Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh na khika masami thuwa da Federation ji na maghamaya phangshok Central Forces Lisalala Mayday Khu Ungli attack sa shok da khlaina da FOCS na ninga kharik phangshok Militants na Mayday na bingli rinda sathat dalay Shim ji hong sak da leilaka Central Forces bingji na mathada mayang sang mi mana da organization ji na hangsanga Yarili mangang mikrar wivangala Rod Kamrat Hensang da Khalehi Matada Mayang Sang Mikrar Wivang Central Security Forces Pingji Manipur wi ina thakta khwithui mi khawai Federation of Civil Society Organizations na demand sahira Chishut me bingli khaya ga shining ga shipong ga shok zimik sho Teachers Day aje mayon ngrok da Chief Minister Speaker kala Education Minister na Shalam mi ngrok haira Manipur with Chief Minister Biren Singh, Legislative Assembly Speaker TH Satyaprata Singh Gala, Education Minister TH Pasanda Kumar Singh na State di lay dakhlay jishut me bing na sami dakhlay wi aman ga sakshan ga khui phongshok haira. Chief Minister Biren Singh wi Shalam Chanpao li jishut me bing na ningdong da ot ngurud li jikat kami, kankhana awardam kami gala lemmet ga them phashok kami la sem ga khui li maya khangai so khangai phongshok Imphal West kala Imphal East District Shong Mayday Khu Ungli attack ka sa shok highway wang State Machinery li makamaya protest nga taday na sa haira Central Paramilitary Forces Incumbent Chief Minister Security Advisor kala Director General of Police TGP li makamaya phongshok da achahon thang Imphal East na Bishnupur District li shinausan na Jeremy Singh da protest saya Ayang athor boyre le marol meira bai pi apun bal lup kala amawa bana khoya thong li protest ng hod yari li ngak mi khawai ka tha ka phekar ga khui po haira State we road camera thi tha da bashum da sender na state garna kachanga duilep mukhi mya kha ka kuthuma nubilal kala 2nd June uprising tha da rashok li ra ga ji shinau san na hang mathin haira Attack sa shok da khalai hili state garna mathada mang hanga mana ga ji hangda ngurungkhung ga hai phei nganin lei khawai bo haira gala violence li nguruga khawai central shorkar li bo haira Agriculture sector li saje da khalai winning ga shak phangshok da kapha phekar khui khawai minister TH Biswajit na ka thong haira Nahakbam Foods and Beverages ko ho organic outlet akha Chingmei Rong Imphal East li shoda chi tharkat ka ka gazibli Minister Biswajit na Mission Organic Value Chain Development for the Northeastern Region MOVCDNER wi kan khana maram hangsanga Thei shirai hai un matha mai khanga sa gala farmers pingli gudom kamili MOVCDNER scheme wi maram Biswajit na phaiji theya Mikumowi mirinli phasa kapha hina khamataya sada khui khawai organic farming li maingare khawai agri minister china kasat sanga State Sarkar na input delivery and custom hiring standards tharada guthum shomi haira kala Imphal East Imphal West Thaubal Bishnupur Chandel Churachandpur Kangbok bi ina kakching li organic outlets shomi haira gachi hangsanga Prime Minister Narendra Modi na khani thangwi wang Singapore li wa haira India ina Singapore wi khanga shik mathame ng sagra strategic partnership leida ngaleji na India li invest ka sa mathame ng sakhawai sa dale Singaporean counterpart Lawrence Wong nang hodak ngaleji li Prime Minister Modi aya washunga Achahon thang Singapore mawarang lakha kharam wagi gaji maram BM Modi na gabi shokta kahang Singapore li strategic partnership wivang matai lagai na ari honwi ka gashunga advanced manufacturing digitalization aina sustainable development wivang khang shik lei khawai ningrin lei dalei Modi li ngasoda Minister of External Affairs S Jaishankar National Security Advisor Ajit Doval kala government officials kateng sowaya Ngalai khani wi gathana bingna India Singapore strategic partnership leida khalewi ka shok gazang mayer yangra khala thega khui thega ba ngatheng rokra the Ministry of External Affairs na hanga Indian minganin bing khawai hili semiconductor sector wibang manpower skilling li kui ngshi khawai memorandum of understanding shoisara da hanga Singapore firms the skilling centers in a tweede training gala recruitment washung da godom yakha India we khnui thod wibang ka pha apong saya da officials na hanga India we Tordinjan Liberal Olympic medal yui ga khui machine jung mai thui ga ji ajukum beris han li samphang da Prime Minister Narendra Modi na mai khaya phongshok haira ajukum Paralympic han hili Indian team na gold medal gathum silver jishat kala bronze tharada medal magada akha ka da samphang haira ngalai hang thruglang da han da khlenga chaili India medal Delhi khare khanauli tharada gajikoli zangdale India maya da ring phala khaira ithu me Paralympic contingent na ajuwi Paralympic silver medal sam ga phang hina jungmai thuiya hina ithu me khangriaw naw bingwi hot khana lunga sanjitheya da BM na congratulate ka sa phong shock ka Karam Thatoi Naga Village ri alung maramli marazang phapha khawai Manipur Naga Youth Organization Headquarters MNYO HQ na Kuki Militants li saklakai na hangmathin haira Organization Jui Breast Chanbao Tishurda Kangjub Giljang Subdivision Azingli Khale Karam Thatoi Aimol Naga Village Kolak B or Chief late LT Reng Jubjung we Brave LT Memory li Kuki Militants na Karim le Hawa 2024 Makagajang Ali Dukwida Naga Organizations La Mibing na ngazeg laga Jihomiya ji Kala Ajahon Darik Akathang Kudlai Kangatan Gugi Militants Hangmadi da Pangashika na Ramjili Wazang da Memory li Varim Lushid da Ka Ngsot Naw Bing na Gan Mi Hawa da Hanga Minority Naga Village Karam Thatoi hi Maitei Gugi tu shotwi alungli ngaphang da Ramnaw Bing Khangaji aina okthui da le Lui Ot Gasali kala Ramjili ngalanga phai thangwi Ot Gasali Khangaji le ngsak hawa da hanga B Darik Akathang Kuki armed militants na full combat camouflage sari shaksada Karam Thatoi village li wazang laga gazip kapam kapaning li paning gasali sangmai da bam hawa kala china Ramnaw Bingwi safety well being li sajig bailing saga gaja ngarar ngarok da khalai communities na gadai da khwibai hawa Kadang ban paintay locality li attack saji Karam Thatoi village bamwe na karana da khwi haibaya gaji organization jina hangsanga Karam Thatoi we maram naka community we alungli kupsang rano gaji hangda ramjui maram li Kuki militants marazang khawai MNYO HQ na hangmathin haira Drones shijinda gautrugaina kadang ban bamli khayon makhle yari alungli pom tha gasang ocho jili magamaya phongshok da ngarda khlai khanini shina tishot li magazang minority naga villages li launching pad sa da mashijin bai maragaji MNYO HQ na hang haira Karam Thatoi Aimol Village Majut Maramli Government of the People's Republic of Nagalim Office of the Makwilong di Zalengrong Region Wena Termi Haira Gaja Karam Thatoi Village Authentic Aimol Naga Village na da organization jina hangsanga Karam Thatoi Village Chief or Kulak Bina MG NREGSW activities progress upload sa gawai kangbok bi shong maba bai tuwa awi mirin wi wang khang chi le hawa kaja ali armed Kuki militants na kamachit le jing hawa da organization jina majan sanga awi dongli la maninga kha awi theisa li zakishira ga shok tharan armed Kuki militants aina awi rival dildun ko kham gom or khongsai li penra gaji MNYO HQ na hang haira Organization Jui Breast Chanbao Jili Infal Bamli Naka Nauli Gajipat Chok Hai Maram La Hang Sanga Kolme Bao Thoi Goho Namthan Long Gabui Rong Mei Village Wi Mi School Van Katao Na Akali Tambak Shong Wi Kudlai Kangatan Mi Bing Na Assault Sahawaji Ochoji Dari Kani Tangadewa Maram Nawi Ina Aikar Gate Ngalem Lam Fairly Kashok Naji Kanao Kanali Jita Damsali Kawai Hang Matinda Infal CD Bamli Yari Kangaji Malayla Ring by Kawai MNYO HQ na Concerned Authority wi yang sang kami bo haira Di shortly innocent Naga villagers kala civilians bingli manghun sang Kawai Manipur Naga Youth Organization Headquarters na Kuki armed militants lila Mayday armed miscreants lila hangmatin haira La luida ajewi kamadaya baubing Pettigrew College we project ot adam jada magasa wi wang hunpun gadam naw long aina all hunpun dang association na construction ot cycle re kham haira Manipur drone attack kasamaram yang gasangling a John Kawai Indian Institute of Technology IID wi mi hosang haira authority li ning yang makhuung protest ngadadai dina chat haira Ajowi bao hiling ajang haira bao ngana dakhlei na thum psycho relate ring phagala khama haya jimik shong sa ser no